The styles of the cafes have changed gradually, but the names have stayed the same. The Braccy shop has resumed its role. But the people who run them, even 40 years further on, have retained their separate identity. Indeed, it's something they like to celebrate.
Good evening. Good evening. Oh, good Lord, how are you? Gaffi, I didn't recognise you. How are you? How are you?
Grazie.
Nice.
Dove sono?
Well.
Here at the regular gatherings of the Friends of the Valceno in Merthyr, Italian and Welsh voices mix very much as they do in Bardi town square.
I didn't know whether you recognise the beer because I owed you £5 from before, so I thought I'd better. All right, friend. No, that's right. Yeah.
But they have to face change, have already faced it. Les Servini wanted to teach, but was forced into the cafe business, finally in Llanharan.
Having married, you see, the old order, the old blood was still there, and I was on the lookout for a place of my own. We saw this place advertised at Llanharan. We came to see it. This room was then the Swallow Cafe. So the price was fair. It was only about £2,000, a very nice property. So we mortgaged and we struggled and we came. And I realised that the whole thing had changed. I was too late. The village shop is a thing of the past. And not only in the Braccy shops, not only in catering. You see, Italian shop today has to be a restaurant, a steakhouse, a spaghetti house. You have to have plush surroundings, the latest catering equipment. You have to employ people, you have to employ cooks. The old gathering place where the miners would call at 6 in the morning to buy an ounce of twist, and where people would gather in the evening, those days, I soon realized are gone. I should have known, but I didn't, because the call was strong and I had to try it, and this cafe failed completely. It's an amazing turn-up for the books. Italian trade is still flourishing. There are still thousands of Italians in the business, but it's not what Giacomo Braccy would have recognised at all. At all.
That great valley's delicacy, the steamed pie, survives, of course, but perhaps the cafes now fulfil a more basic purpose. The food and drink they provide is still important, but their social role has declined. Giacomo Braccy might still have recognised the valleys themselves. Their outward appearance hasn't changed quite so much. But the pattern of living has changed like catering.